In some emergency front-end collision situations, the forward automatic braking feature may help reduce crash severity or avoid the crash altogether by applying the brakes automatically or enhancing your braking. The feature uses forward-looking camera, radar, or both camera and radar sensors. When in forward gear, these sensors look directly ahead to monitor vehicles you're following. When a vehicle is detected ahead, a green icon is displayed. If the system detects that you're seconds away from a possible front-end collision with the vehicle you're following, it sends an alert. If you don't respond quickly, or the situation happens suddenly, the forward automatic braking feature enhances your braking, or automatically applies the brakes for you. On some vehicles, the brake pedal moves when an automatic braking occurs. You can override automatic braking at any time by pressing the accelerator or braking. If the system slows your vehicle to a complete stop, you can release the brakes with the electronic park button. This feature can be turned off through the vehicle menu setting. If the vehicle is equipped with forward automatic braking radar technology, it will have better detection range and work better in bad weather.